What's poppin', guys? I'm Leash, and today we're watching Stray Kids' new music video, Thunderous. Okay, I know I've only covered BTS content on my channel so far because I'm a huge ARMY, but I am a multi-stan. I am also a stay, so I'm really excited for Stray Kids' new album, No Easy, which is out now. If you're here because you subscribe to my channel and you're also an ARMY, but you're not a multi-stan and you're not a stay, please watch anyway because these guys are worth standing. They are phenomenal and amazing. And remember, as ARMYs, we have a huge capacity to love. So yeah, of course, I have space for 8 more men in my heart. There's room for 15 guys in here. No, but seriously, if you have not heard of or listened to Stray Kids, please watch, please stay, experience this with me. They are phenomenal. Wait until you see Bang Chan. Wait until you experience Felix. I don't know how Felix is real. Just, you'll see. And if you know, any of them, honestly, they're all phenomenal. They're all great performers. I love Stray Kids. Normally, I would have a Art Me segment, but I can't call Stray Kids artists Art Me's, so I guess I'll call them STRARTISTS. And I don't have any Strart. If you know anybody who does Stray Kids fan art, please send them my way because I plan on doing more Stray Kids stuff too. This is not the end of me doing BTS. I just have to give some love to my guys because new album. All right, I am ready. I have listened to this album on repeat since it came out a couple days ago. No skips. It's phenomenal. It is great. I can't wait for the rest of the music videos to come out, especially Red Light. I don't know if I'm emotionally or physically prepared for that. But regardless, I'm so excited. I have not watched this music video yet, so let's do this together. Ooh, this is dope. Oh, that's sick. Oh, Changmin always goes so hard. Oh, Bang Chan's crop top. Oh, Bang Chan and nothing. Ah! Oh, this is so cool. Oh, baby Sungmin. I love him. He's so. Bang Chan, bro. Is this allowed? Oh, that was so cool. No way. Oh my god. Oh, Felix. Okay, wait. First of all, I thought that was Bang Chan that said, "I'm not sorry, I'm dirty," while I was listening to the album. Second of all, you're what?
Daddy, chill.
Third of all, that accent, that little Australian accent that pops out, "I'm not sorry, I'm dirty." Okay, okay, I see you. Cutie. Oh, it is! Oh! Oh!
No.
Okay, it's both of them. The Australian accent. Also, look at Felix. What the fuck? Felix looks sick with this, like, these long extensions. Love this. I'm in love. That's a fine ass man. Their moves are so clean. Ooh! Oh my god, so many scenes happening. Felix's hair. Holy shit. Ooh. I'm drooling, bro. Oh, mixed with that hair. No fucking way. I'm slouching. The weight of all the sexy. This crop top is illegal. Han. Ooh, you smack. I'm fucked up. Y'all got me fucked up. Yes, King Chinglin. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. In that crop top. Oh my god. Okay. I feel not sorry and a little dirty. That was so spicy. That so much happened. First of all, I want to appreciate all of the costume changes, all of the hairstyles that just happened. I feel like I need to watch this again to just process everybody's individual transformations throughout this music video. Second of all the different sceneries, all the different backgrounds, the cartoon elements. Bang Chan in the crop top. Bang Chan. Bang Chan. He knows his power. Bang Chan, you know your power, bro. You just... Rent-free in my head forever. So anyway, 10 out of 10, dance moves on point. Everybody is so smooth, so clean. Stray Kids are worth standing. Like I said earlier, I'm so excited for all the other music videos. After just that crop top, I'm not sure if I can handle red light. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. If you are a subscriber and you stayed to watch this and you aren't a multi-stan, thank you. It means so much to me. I don't have an outro for Stray Kids. I can't say BTS and Manifest. So, fuck. Not prepared. I don't know. Should I combine Stray Kids, Stay, Freak on a Leash, Freaky, whatever. Stay freaky.